Welcome back. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to cut a Vidal Sassoon inspired box bob haircut. This bob haircut can be club cut, blunt with precision, and or point cut with slide cutting, or razor cut for lived-in texture and movement. You will learn how to combine disconnected graduation with the line technique to cut an advanced disconnected bob haircut with graduation and solid lines. To follow this tutorial and make adjustments for point cutting or razor cutting. We start the haircut in the nape zone, parting from the occipital bone to the top of the ears on both sides. Our first section is cut vertically. This becomes our guide for the graduation. We now take diagonal sections following our guide, working up the head shape, building weight as we work up towards the occipital bone. Work in small sections, maintain a consistent low to medium elevation, 15 degrees to 45. Lower elevation creates stronger weight, while higher elevation softens the graduation. Follow the cutting line. Match each section to your cutting line, ensuring smooth graduation. Once the nape is complete, cross-check your work by combing sections vertically to ensure even graduation. Optional, texturize using point cutting or the razor to soften edges for a more lived-in finish if desired. You could choose to layer or scissor overcomb this zone depending on your personal preference. Lengthen the graduation becomes our guide for the side zones. Maintaining our model's head position facing forward and down, we cut a round line following our model's head shape. This zone is disconnected from the graduation. This will ensure the crown zone is hugging the head shape, maintaining maximum weight. I use 2 fingers in width over my graduation to place my guide for this zone. To refine, I point cut to soften the ends whilst maintaining maximum weight to create a strong Sassoon blunt line. Perfect for clients who want that easy wash and wear hairstyle with a strong edge and shape. To remove the corner off my line, I use a dusting technique, elevating my sections whilst opening and closing my scissor gently to remove the corner. We now combine the back zone into the side zones, cutting a flat square line, elevating my client's head to the opposite side to maintain maximum weight in my line. Remember, you could point cut and use slice cutting to create a lived-in version of this box bob haircut. Or you could use your razor to create a similar effect. We continue this process on both sides. When flat wrapping a box bob, be sure to bevel the ends and dry the hair in natural fall with minimum body. Otherwise, you will create graduation in your line and you won't be able to refine your precision line in natural fall. To complete this zone, I gently remove bulk from the line, point cutting to remove weight. We now complete the haircut in the fringe or bang zone. I use my comb and scissor to cut my guide and complete the fringe in between my fingers. Blow drying into natural fall before refining my line. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer the blunt, cut, or textured bob versions of this haircut. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And if you liked this tutorial, you should watch this one next.